Hey guys, first of all, thank you so much for the love you've been giving to the A-Step UI repo. It's been amazing to see the community grow around it. We've been developing a lot of new features and big changes are coming, so stay tuned for that. One thing I keep getting asked is how do I install it? Simplest way is to download Pinokio from pinokio.co. Once you have it open, just search for A-Step UI, click install, and you're done. No terminal, no dependencies, no headaches. I'm also working on a free native Mac app for Apple Silicon. It will let you generate music with a step completely offline on any Mac from M1 and up. It's coming soon to the App Store, so keep an eye out for that. Now, today I also built something pretty cool. I gave my OpenClaw AI assistant a skill to generate music using A-Step 1.5. And the best part? The A-Step team is offering a completely free, unlimited API. Zero cost. No catch. Here's how you set it up. Step 1. Install the skill from clawhub.ai. I'll drop the link in the description. Step 2. It will ask you to register and grab your API key from acemusic.ai. And that's it. Your OpenClaw can now generate full songs, any genre, any language, for free. You can actually see it in action right here.
I woke up this morning feeling brand new. A-Step gave me something I never knew. No more subscriptions eating my wallet dry. Free music generation, oh my, oh my. Thank you, A-Step. You set me free. Now I can make music endlessly. No credits, no limits, no monthly fee. Open source music, that's the key. I used to for every single song, someone took my money all day long. Now I got A-Step on my side, generating bangers with nothing to hide.
If you found this useful, hit the like button and subscribe. More updates coming soon. Peace.